Happy day to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. Will audit or FMSM paper be difficult for the Jan 2026 examinations? Not one, not two. So many students messaged me, sent voice notes, called me and asked the same question. Will audit or FMSM be difficult? And the reasons as to why I got are predominantly these four reasons as to why the attempt will be difficult. The last time group 2 pass percentage was high. It was about 27%. So this time, will they make it difficult? Every time we see that there will be one difficult paper per group. In the first group, the DT paper was difficult. So can I expect audit or FMSM to be difficult because costing was an average paper this time. They've given lots of extra leave specifically for paper 5 and 6. So are they giving leave to make my question paper difficult? The last year, Jan 2025 auditing was hard. So, Jan 2026 also, can I expect the auditing paper to be hard? You may be having one of these thoughts. If you are not having these thoughts, I'm happy for you. But if you are having these thoughts, I only have one question for you. So what? Just because you are worrying, just because you are sitting in your room and crying, is the question paper going to change? Is anything going to change? So what? Let it be hard. Let it be hard. What you are doing is not a BCom paper. It is a CA exam, guys. If that exam is tough, you have to be tougher than that. And that is the only way to tackle it. People who are worried that paper will be hard are just convincing themselves to find excuses to not study these 4 days. They're just convincing themselves to find excuses for this attempt in itself. You have to be ready for whatever comes your way. Come what may, you have to be ready. And I am going to give you a solution for any kind of a damn challenging paper. Let it be the most hardest paper in the history of CA exams. Let them give anything. You have to be mentally ready to go and tackle that paper. And that is the mindset shift I want from you. I can see many of you being lazy just because these 4 days are there. What are the 3 steps that I have to follow for any damn difficult paper? Step number 1, whichever class, whichever notes you are following, first revise what you already know. Strengthen your preparation, fill in your gaps with the expected question marathon and ensure that all the concepts in this marathon is covered. You do not skip anything from this expected question marathon. For audit, I have already done the expected question marathon. You can watch it now. And for SM, tomorrow, that is 15th of January, I will be coming live at 9:15 a.m. Have your breakfast and come for the expected question marathon. We will be finishing it in just 3.5 hours. That's it. We will be done with entire SM. You can even go and have your lunch after the SM. Yes. And the third step is the Vivitsu LDR. Once you are done with a particular chapter, you have to go through the questions to understand the way to present, how to tackle the questions. And for audit, I have done the Vivitsu LDR. I have done the question and answer and seen the presentation with you. For strategic management subject, I've given it in the free resources tab in the CA Classroom website. Only these 3 steps you have to follow blindly, guys. Yesterday I got one call saying, ma'am, costing exam did not go well. Please guide me for the next attempt. Please share the link for the class that I have to purchase. I blatantly refused. I just said I will not send the link. Your duty is not yet completed. You first finish your duty and then come. I will be happy if you come and ask the link for the class for the other group. I will be happy if you come and ask the link for the final classes. I will happily share it with you. Not like this, guys. It is the last 4 to 5 days. Last 4 to 5 days, last leg. And you are doing it for your life. And this is not for me. You have to understand that and give your 100%. Not even 0.1% lesser than 100%. I want you to do it for your life. All the best, guys.